The last exponent rule we have to talk about is the quotient rule. And the quotient rule happens when you have something with division. So let's say you had x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 3. And that will be equivalent to x to the power of, all you need to do is subtract your exponents. 4 minus 3, that would be x to the power of 1. Usually you aren't going to see questions written with the division sign. Usually you would see this represented as a fraction, like x to the power of 4 over x to the power of 3. I can prove to you that the exponent rule works just by looking at this example. X to the power of 4 will be the same as x times x times x times x. X multiplied by itself 4 times over x times x times x. It's to the power of 3, so it'll be x multiplied by itself 3 times. Let's just look at these ones for a sec. Isn't x divided by x equal to 1? Something divided by itself is always equal to 1. Same here, equal to 1, and same over here. So all we're left with is that x, and isn't x equivalent to x to the power of 1? Yep. Let's do an example. Let's say we have y cubed over y to the 6th. That would be y to the power of the 1 on top minus the 1 on the bottom. That would be y to the power of 3 minus 6 will be negative 3. We know from our rule of negative exponents that we always want to write it as 1 over whatever it was. Change that to positive and put 1 over it. And let's say we had x squared y cubed, 6x squared y cubed over 2x y to the 5th. That would be 6 divided by 2 would be 3. X to the power of 2 minus 1. Y to the power of 3 minus 5. And that would be 3x, 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 5 would be negative 2. You never want to leave your answer with a negative exponent in it. So this would be 3x, and 3x is the same as 3x to the power of 1 over y squared. Negative exponent, just make it positive and say it's 1 over whatever it is.